How do you identify, describe, and name nickels? David found this silver coin on the sidewalk. What coin did he find? This coin is a nickel. Click it to see the word. A nickel's color is silver or gray. It has a picture of Thomas Jefferson on one side. He was president a long time ago. Newer nickels have a different picture of Thomas Jefferson. The front side of a nickel is called heads. The back side of a nickel is called tails. Flip the nickel over to take a look. The picture on the back of a nickel shows a building called Monticello. It was President Jefferson's house. Every nickel has the same size, shape, and color. The edges are smooth. The front side and the back side look very different. You can use all of this information to tell if a coin is a nickel. You can count nickels one by one, just like you count with counters. How many nickels do you see? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 nickels. You can count nickels the same way you count with counters, one at a time. How many nickels are there? Count the nickels and select your answer. Great job! There are 8 nickels. Go ahead and flip the set of nickels over now. How many nickels are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are still 8 nickels, even though you're looking at the other side of each nickel. It doesn't matter if the nickels are heads up or tails up, or which picture of Jefferson is on the head side of the nickel. They're all still nickels.